Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video you're gonna learn how to replace key fob battery in your Chrysler vehicle 2011 and up. And really quick, if you're not a subscriber yet to this channel and you like my videos, please click that subscribe button. Also like and share my videos. That helps me tremendously. Appreciate a lot. Thank you so much. And now let's get to a battery replacement procedure. Okay guys, let's get this going. So before we get this key fob crack open, we need to get you a brand new battery. Battery for this remote is CR2032. You only need one battery for this procedure. Lock key right here, slide it up and pull the key out. Once the key is out, there is a slot right there that it's not the one that you inserted the key in, but the one next to it. Hold the key fob this way, insert your key and turn it sideways. It cracks the key fob open, and here you'll see the battery is right here. Using the same key, pop the battery up, and remember the battery was sitting face down. The lettering and numbers were down, so get your new battery. New batteries right here. Insert the battery, numbers and letters down towards the contacts first, and then just push it down. It sits nice and firm, doesn't go anywhere. Now take second part of your remote, smash it together like so, all around. It's nice and back, put together nice and firm. Now take your key, insert it back. Here's your key fob. You do not need to program or calibrate anything. It's pretty much good to go. From now on you can just start using it. Again, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please click like, share and subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate you guys' support, and thank you for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you guys again later. Thank you, bye bye.